Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart seller account. First, let's explore why selling on Walmart Marketplace can be a game changer for your business. With millions of daily shoppers, it offers a vast audience. We'll cover the essential eligibility criteria, such as having a U.S. business address and a valid tax ID, ensuring you're ready to begin. Then, we'll walk through the initial application steps, making your onboarding smooth and straightforward. Once your application is approved, the next step is to complete your seller profile. This involves providing precise business details, including your company name and contact information. You'll then configure your preferred payment methods, like direct deposit, and establish your shipping settings, such as delivery zones and costs. The verification process usually takes about 3 to 5 business days, ensuring everything is secure before you go live. Now, let's get your products listed. You can upload your catalog using several convenient methods, from individual entries to bulk uploads for hundreds of items, or even API integration for larger operations. Remember to optimize each listing with compelling, high-resolution images and comprehensive descriptions that highlight key features. Crucially, maintain accurate inventory levels to avoid disappointing customers with out-of-stock items, ensuring a smooth shopping experience. Finally, we'll cover order fulfillment and customer service. You have options like fulfilling orders yourself or utilizing Walmart Fulfillment Services, which handles storage, packing, and shipping for a fee. Process orders promptly, aiming for shipment within 1 to 2 business days, and always provide tracking information. Exceptional customer service is key. Respond to inquiries within 24 hours, and manage returns gracefully to build trust and encourage repeat business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.